So you have your recent NORCET exam on 12th September. If you are preparing for your NORCET examination, let's have a basic understanding on the exam pattern, and then you can go on to the question sets which are really important for your practice. So NORCET exam, which is a nursing officer exam, is actually held 2 times a year for AIIMS across India, and the nursing positions in the AIIMS. Now, if you are a BSc nursing, a BSc honors nursing, a post basic or a GNM, you are eligible to apply. For GNM, the eligibility is minimum 2 years of work experience in a hospital which has more than 50 plus beds, and the age bracket is 18 to 30 years. Now, there has been a controversial 80-20 reservation policy that says 80% seats for girl reservation. However, there are things that you need to know beyond that. So the examination pattern. Now, examination pattern, you have 100 MCQs that are there, 80 from the nursing section, 20 from the general. So if you go on to the general, it's basically the general knowledge, English and reasoning, the basics of those. 90 minutes are given for you to solve the paper, and there are 5 time sections across which you will be solving the paper. Note, there is negative marking, so you cannot just do a blind guess. Now, the topics that we have mentioned here are the complete list of topics that are covered. Computers in nursing is one of the very upcoming topics, and recently has gained importance in the examination. So if you want to practice on any of the sections, you can simply click the questions here and you can get the type of the questions that are asked, right? So I change the number here, I go to the old question and then I check the answer. I can click on the question and then I can get the answers once I have the the details on it, right? So this is one of the demo that you need to understand, but some of the important topics that you must focus here. These are the medical and surgical nursing procedures, specifically talking about the fundamentals of nursing, the obstetrics, pediatrics and pharmacology. Some of the important topics that you must cover, specifically for your prelims perspective. So you have prelims and mains. For mains, you have extensive nursing specific questions that are asked. For prelims, it's mainly theoretical and basic nursing interventions that you need to know. And once you are done with that, if you get through, you get a 7th level of pay under the 7th pay commission. So it's a really good opportunity if you are able to join as a nursing student. And here is the complete preparation on exam PYQ. So if you have any questions or queries regarding it, feel free to connect back on the number below. Thanks for joining.